Hello, fellow BookQuesters. It is I am the BookQuester. Today I will introduce you to this good but sad book, One Amazing Elephant, by Linda Oatman. Kind of a hard name to say, especially Oatman. The others are rather easy. And so this book, I mostly read this book because it was a really good book. As they say, it's a good book. Not like super fantasy, dragon breathing, super fantasy good books. And this book, it's on the Sacramento book list, and don't ask about that because that's really annoying also. And this book is good, but there's a lot of sad moments, and it's a happy ending, but there's a lot of really sad moments. Like the main character, Lily's grandfather, Bill the Giant, he's called, Mahat, elephant trainer of Queenie Grace, died because of a heart attack at the first part, which is most of the reason why she came to from West Virginia to Florida to go to attend to his funeral. So it's sad. And it's about two unusual friends, Queenie Grace and Lily, and they become friends and they make each other feel much more better about Grandpa Bill dying, and it's sad. And there's three Batman, and they're really evil, and they want to do bad things to Queenie Grace, and they already did some bad things to her already. So you might want to know that they're really scary. Not really scary, but still. And it's really a happy ending, but I warn you, tears. It's really sad sometimes. Try not to cry when you read this book. I highly recommend it, but still, tears, you know. You want to read it, but you just have to cry. Like always, your BookQuester, Aaron the BookQuester.